Afrimat supplies building materials to building and construction industries and clay to the steel industry.
Yep, this one has done really, really well.
Market cap 4.1 billion rand, PE ratio 14.8 and a dividend yield here of 2.4%. Given the statement that it's done really, really well,
let's show the share chart, because you'll see when I say it's done really well, it's been a consolidator and a winner in a rather difficult sector.
Andries van Heerden still at the helm of this one.
Indeed.
Look, African Rainbow Capital, Patrice Motsepe's company, tried to buy almost a 20% stake in this company. So there's obviously something to it, because I think Patrice knows one or few things about investments. I think the big advantage about this is actually what the company is. It's basically an open pit mining company, and we know in South Africa how hard it is to get a mining license, let alone the issues that are surrounding that sector now with the new regulation that's been passed. But that's their competitive advantage, just their existing infrastructure. They've got about 27 quarries all over South Africa, and basically these are your go-to guys if you're doing infrastructure development in South Africa. And that's what they've been largely dependent on, is the government housing project. But as you've mentioned, they've slowly migrated from the construction sector to the metals industry, simply because they're trying to get away from the volatility of that construction sector and looking for more stable annuity income. And cash is king in the business.
You've always actually had very positive sentiments towards Afrimat.
Like I say, it's quite interesting to see a company that has had very strong earnings growth in an industry where their competitors have been battling. Look, that steel thing is they make like refractory bricks for the furnaces for the steel industry, and then they bought Infrasource, which was another company that had a similar range of stuff that they supply to ceramic stuff and so on to the smelter industry. Not one that's doing particularly well itself, but you know, they seem to have again timed the entry well. I don't know. I mean, it's not like sand and sand quarries and gravel is all that exciting a commodity. And also the stuff they make at Prima and Lancaster division, you know, like the street furniture, they call it, you know, the sort of curbsides and all that stuff. Also not exactly a sexy industry, but I don't know. I mean, Andries, as you say, appears to be able to do business well when everything he touches.
Can it go higher from here?
Look, I don't like businesses that are too dependent on the government, and I don't like the mining sector as a whole. But I like this company, even though...
only because of Patrice, because he wanted and he didn't get any.
Something like that, but they've been able to, like you say, run a very good business in a very unexciting sector. So I'm hot.
You're hot. You're hot?
Well, let's give it the hot, because until such time as there's any trouble, this one will remain to be a winner for existing shareholders, which tends to bring others in, and also for those that are already in it from an institutional point of view to buy more. And it's got the market cap at the level that it is now, that it's attractive and, you know, can keep